How to reduce 3 kg in 7 days. Namaste, this is Mansi Gulati, your yoga expert. We are going to do 5 simple asanas and you are going to see amazing result. Just you need to be consistent with your practice. Every day try to spare 30 minutes with me. We'll start with Naukasana. Bend your legs properly first. Hold it. This is very important for our digestion, very important for activating pancreas. Just keep it like this and look straight. Now we'll start very slowly. Raise your leg up. Hold. And exhale forcefully for 10 count. Again bend and hold. Look straight. And release. Let's do Titli asana. Every asana we have to perform for 3 times for better result. So now let's do the Titli asana. Hold it like this. Start stretching. And always try to sit straight in yoga. Very slowly come forward. Inhale, come up and release. We all are beautiful creature of God, so worship your body properly and get the beautiful result with yoga. Now let's do Balasana. First sit in Vajrasana. Excellent asana for your digestive system. Now very slowly come forward. Keep your forehead down. Straighten your hand and be there. Relax, release. Now let's do my favorite simple kriya. Simple kriya is amazing kriya. It helps to reduce toxins from your body. Very good for stimulating your nervous system. Very good for increasing blood circulation. So it is the best kriya. Your mind and body is connected with your breath. So breathing exercises are always good. 80% your problem will get resolved with breathing exercises. Just do in a proper way with me. Right hand on your chest, left hand on your stomach. Inhale. Exhale. When you inhale, expand your body properly. When we exhale, contract our stomach. So this is very important and very easy way of doing this kriya. Now, lastly, we are going to do Vayu mudra. Vayu mudra is really good for your stomach. Let's do it. Keep it like this. Press it and close your eyes. Release. We can feel sense of relaxation. So get started with beautiful journey of yoga. Really thank you for watching our video. Thank you.